Hello guys, I'm Tracy from VIVNE. Lots of Leaf owners ordered the battery module kit from us since they think the battery module kit is much more cost effective. Yes, that's true. In my previous video, I've already covered the full process of assembling the battery modules into the original battery case. There's no drilling, no cutting are needed at all. But some friends are curious about how to install the complete battery pack onto Nissan Leaf. So this video, we will show you how to install a 62 kWh battery pack for Nissan Leaf. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button for my channel. As I mentioned before, the height of our 62 kWh battery has increased by 2.5 cm. So we added the rubber spacer. Also need 10 spacers and longer bolts for installation. There are two different sizes of the bolts. These two pieces are slightly smaller than others. They will be installed at the rear of the vehicle. So right now, let's get started. First, disconnect the 12-volt battery. Just remove the negative terminal. Next, remove the service plug, which is located under the rail set, and fasten with 3 10mm bolts. Safety always comes first. Please wear insulating gloves during the whole process. Raise the vehicle to appropriate working height. Now remove the protective panel under the vehicle. Disconnect 3 plugs. Please disconnect low voltage signal harness first. Then disconnect PTC plug. And the last step is disconnect the high voltage connector. Okay, 3 plugs has been removed. Now remove all screws securing the battery to the vehicle body. Also remove the connecting brackets. Remove these 3 screws of the rail support. Lower the battery. We use 4 lifting ropes to hoist the battery pack. So the old battery has been removed. This one is a 24 kWh battery pack. Plug in the service disconnector plug on the new battery pack. Now we install the new battery pack. Here is our battery lifting platform. So we will need to position the battery onto the platform first. We use 4 lifting ropes to hook the new battery pack to the gantry crane and put it on this lifting platform. Okay, now lift the battery to the correct height. Then move the platform into place to hold the new battery. Now install these 10 aluminum spacers, each set 3. 2 at the front of the vehicle. Fix the bolts now. Install the connecting brackets. Okay, now install these 2 spacers and smaller bolts at the rear of the vehicle. Loosen the screws first, and then install the spacer and the smaller bolts here. This position is still use the original bolts to secure the battery. Now we can connect 3 plugs, but this time first connect the PTC plug. Next, connect the high voltage plug. The last one is low voltage signal harness. Install the protective panel, but before installing it, you need to test the battery first. We have already tested the battery, so we can install it directly. Load the vehicle and connect the 12-volt battery. Okay, the battery has been installed now. But before you drive this vehicle, you should use LeafSpy to clear fault codes. Please press this button for choice without step on the brake. You can find there are some errors on the dashboard, so we need to use LeafSpy to clear these error messages. Now LeafSpy is connected. We press this button here, Setting, choose Enable and Down. Then we enter the service menu and click Read DTCs. So all fault codes are displayed on this screen. We need to clear them one by one. We back to service menu. Click Clear DTCs. Click Execute. It's working now. But still have some fault codes, so clear again. You can choose another option, just clear them one by one. Now everything looks okay, so the all fault codes have been cleared. Now you can start the vehicle and check the dashboard again. There are no error codes on the dashboard. That's great. The SOC is 68% and the remaining range 286 km, so you can enjoy your car. The installation is completed.